And now we want to calculate the levels. So I go here in the Dynamo and then I'll search for element type. Here in the search box, let's see what pops up. And then here I'll put the element type on level. After that, I go back to the search box and this time I'll type in all elements of type. And this way we can find anything that's from this type in the project. Then I select this and then I drag it up here, connect it to this one, and there it is. All right, so after that, we wanted to create the pages for it. So in the search box, this time I'll search for plane offset. Let's see what pops up, and there we go. After that, we want to calculate the distance. So this time I'll look for level.elevation in the search box. So open this up and then connect it to the threads and then click on run. Let's see what the result is. So it's 0, 3000, 6000, and so forth. And now we want to put the plane in line with X and Y. So here I'll look for plane.xy and then I'll open this first one up and then connect it to the thread and then run. So all right, it's all good up to this point. And because this model of the line that we're seeing is so big, we can't really notice the plane in it. So then I go to the formats from the project units and put this on meters, then 2 decimal places, and then okay. Let me run again. All right, I'll select this again and then run once again, and then I'll connect these two up and then run again. Now it looks much better. Now you can see the line and the levels and the plane as well. So now I want to see the collision points. So here I'll search for geometry dot intersect. And then here I'll select the first one. And then here I'll connect the geometry to line. And then from this other side of the thread, connect the other to plane. There we go. And then click on run. And now you can see the changes and the dots popping up. After that, I'll go here and in the search box, I'll type in flatten and then add this one to the thread. Then connect the geometry to list, then run. And this way we can convert them all to one list. All right, now we want to split these up. So I go here in the search box and I'll type in curve.split by point. Let's see what pops up. All right, open this up and connect it to the thread. So the points is talking about these dots that we have here. And then the curve is the line. So that's how we'll connect these two. Then click on run again. After that, let me just uncheck the preview on these boxes. There we go. And then this one as well. After that, let's uncheck the preview on this one as well. And then this one. All right. Then we go up here, uncheck this one as well. And the transaction one too. And then this one. And there we go. After that, click on run. And there it is. So now for each level, we have one line here that represents them. So here we have the third and the fourth one, and so and so. All right, so now we want to get the type of the columns as well, so we can replace them too. So here in the search box, I'll look for structural framing. I'll type it out here, and then let's see from these ones, which one has actually columns in it. All right, open this up, and then here, connect the curve to this one. And then here, connect it by the level to this one here. And after that, here we have the structural framing. So I'll search for element dot get parameter value by name. Let's see. All right, open this up. So then connect this one by the element to this part. And then for the parameter, I'll go here and open up a string. And here I'll get the type. And then connect the parameter name to the type. Then click on run and then connect this to here. All right, hit run once again. And now you can see it has split up the column for each level. But it has kept the first part of the column as well. So if you try to move the columns, the base one stands still. All right, so let me delete this one and then we'll continue our work here. So here, I'll search for list in the search box, then open this up and connect it to the thread by this point. And then from here, connect the item to the elements and then a quick save. So now this one is sort of our closed domain. So here in the search box, I'll look for transaction and then I'll open this first one up and then connect it to the thread by this. And then I'll click on run. Let me just see what the result is up to this point. And here it is. All right, so this first one was okay. Let me just go here and delete these. There we go. Oh, Control Z and then delete. All right. Here I'll create a code block in Dynamo and I'll name it C bracket open 0 bracket closed. Doing this will sort of filter the first place that we have in our ingoing command, as you can see here. Then I'll open up the create list. Then I'll connect it to the thread like this. And then after I've done that, I'll go to the library again. And this time I'll look for delete list. Let's see what we can find. All right, open this up. All right, it needs this package to be installed. So we go here and then we open up the online package search. You just need a network connection for this, so make sure to sort that out. And after you've opened this, just here look for practical beam and then install it. But for now, as a sort of guidance, I'll create a note here and then open it up, and inside it I'll write practical beam package. There we go, except here, and there it is. All right, let me just disconnect it from the thread here and then bring it here with the delete list of elements and put it here. After that, I'll group these up and there we go. Then I'll connect it to the thread and it's sort of our last command. Now, what does this command do when you select the type of column and you want to replace it? This just gets rid of the old type that you want to replace. All right, so I'll just save the file and then click on run. All right, then let me go here. Oh, I may have made a mistake. Let me just go here and connect this to our start point, then run. All right, Control Z here. Here, select this one and then this one and click on run once again. All right, now it's been fixed. And now you can select the column and drag it wherever you